What's up, guys? Kevin's Rapid Reviews here. Still haven't killed myself. Today we're at Subway, Eat Fresh. Today we're doing their chocolate chip cookie. Yeah, we're actually in the Subway store itself. And I actually have a chocolate milk here just to go along with the chocolate chip cookie. I have all my friends here. There they are. And here we go. Subway's chocolate chip cookies.
Spit or swallow.
Anyway.
We'll edit it out, don't worry.
There's no editing. Yeah, chocolate milk. Nah. It's okay. The cookie though, it's not bad. Tastes fresh. Still a little warm. A nice blend. It's good. For a sandwich shop cookie, you know. Not terrible. Not
I
bad,
would say.
you know. But the chocolate milk, I don't get that. Anyway, guys, it's Kevin's Rapid Reviews signing off. The cookie I would rate a 6 out of 10. The chocolate milk a 2 out of 10. Let's just put that up. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. See you guys soon.
Hang yourself.